Tonight we have a snowstorm, which is January 25th in here in Quebec, Canada. So we have a snowstorm starting tonight. So it's gonna be worse tomorrow till tomorrow afternoon. So now it's starting snowing. See, which is show you there's a lot of snow now. For tomorrow, for sure, it's gonna be full. See, look at this downstairs. This my car is full of snow. Right now, look at this. Not much car. At this time, maybe what time is it now? Like almost 9 o'clock. So look at this. So quiet. So very quiet. And only few cars. Ay, lisod kayo ugma. Bahaw tagpala ni. Ay, daghan na kayong palahon ng ugma. Ano ni, tanaw ni. Hina ako sa akong window karon. Kung gi-observe kang medyo di pa kayo kanang kusog ang snow. By 12 or 11, magkuhan na ni siya, magkusog ng snow. Mo-accumulate ni siya to 25 centimeters. Look at this. Wow. It's quite hard to drive tomorrow. Going to work. Oh my goodness. Ay. I just drive slow tomorrow. And see, this is how I just show you some clips. Tomorrow I'll show you more. How many centimeters of snow early morning. So bye for now. And just wait for the next video. And this is a short video. I'll just show you the snow is started. Which is we have a snowstorm. Okay, bye bye.